A Pennsylvania judge could decide today whether 12 former Penn State fraternity brothers will stand trial in the death of a student after a hazing ritual. Sophomore Timothy Piazza died last year from injuries after prosecutors say he had 18 drinks in 82 minutes. In all, 26 former Beta Theta Pi members have been charged, but several charges have been thrown out. Yesterday, prosecutors recommended dropping more charges but reinstating others. Don Dahler is outside the courthouse in Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, to help us sort through it all. Don, good morning.
Good morning. This process has dragged on for months. In fact, this is the fourth time prosecutors have tried to get this in front of a jury. But the Attorney General says a review of the case by his office leads him to believe that there might finally be justice for the Piazza family.
We are committed to holding every responsible individual accountable for their actions in this tragedy.
Pennsylvania Attorney General Josh Shapiro said Tuesday he wants to appeal to reinstate involuntary manslaughter charges against 5 of the 26 former fraternity members allegedly involved in Timothy Piazza's death. The more serious charges have been dismissed twice before. Why continue after this?
We don't think that a local magistrate judge should have the final say. We think that a jury should have the final say.
Shapiro says the state's case is based on 3 things: that the defendants participated in the alcohol-based hazing ritual, were aware that Piazza had fallen, and failed to get him medical attention, which could have saved his life. The defendants have denied all charges. 3 of their lawyers told CBS News in separate statements that they are disappointed by this appeal. Defendant Luke Visser's attorney said this 4th attempt to bring serious charges against his client is legally without merit, an abuse of the legal system, and should be denied.
No one's child should be hurt or die from just trying to join an organization.
Timothy's father, Jim, was at yesterday's press conference and is hopeful about the appeal.
We don't want it to happen to anyone else. Beyond justice, we're hoping that it does, create a cultural change in Greek life in particular, but also in other organizations, such that hazing is simply eradicated and done away with.
The more serious charges are expected to be dropped against most of the defendants here today, although they will be brought up on lesser charges. The Attorney General says as for the 5 for whom he wants the involuntary manslaughter charges to be reinstated, he says if his appeal fails, he's going to take it to Superior Court. Bianna.
Keep on fighting. Don, thank you.